I made the adapter to weld on to that intake arm. Or are you gonna run that? Are you gonna run that intake arm? The one that I made? Okay. Because I'm gonna weld that to the. I made a carb adapter. Yeah. Oh yeah. Exactly. Yeah.
How's it look?
That's what I was doing. I mean, if necessary, I could weld it up with the stick welder.
You look cute.
What's that?
Hey, Tristan. What are you doing?
What'd you say? Now who I'm gonna weld mine with.
This camera's so much better than mine.
Which one?
This one.
Yeah.
Tristan. Do you have chips? Are they good? What kind are they?
I don't know.
It says right there. What kind are they?
Yeah, Chicago Fire. Two.
Yeah.
What does it say? That's like the cereal, huh?
Yeah, stop one.
No. Mm-hmm.